Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. So, I'm Miss Londa, and we have been working so very hard to recognize, create, and continue patterns in math. What is a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Yes, you got it right. So, patterns can be found everywhere. In fact, a pattern can be made of lines, shapes, colors, sound, and even movement. In fact, do you recognize any patterns on me today? Come with me. Let's go see how many patterns we can find. Oh, oh. Whoa, there's a zebra. Can you see the patterns on the zebra? What colors do you see? Hey, zebra. What else can I see? Boys and girls, what else can you see? Boy, that was scary. Where am I? It looks like we're at a butterfly park. Look at all the beautiful butterflies. Look at the pattern on that butterfly. Look, boys and girls, we are now at a snake park. Look at all those different snakes. Can you spot the different patterns on the snakes? Look at those amazing colors. I see blue, green, yellow, orange. Wow, I didn't know that snakes could come in so many amazing colors and sizes. Wow, that is simply amazing. Boy, oh boy, I had so much fun today. Now I know that patterns can be found in nature too. Thanks for watching.